Hey everyone, it's Sunday, which means that it's time for me to give you a quick summary of what new resources are available. This week I made a new tutorial on percentage increases and decreases using percentage multipliers. And to go with that, I added a new page to my website, radfordmathematics.com, on that specific topic. And it comes with 2 worksheets that you can already go ahead and download. You'll find the description down below. On top of that, I also made a new tutorial on the method of substitution for integration when the radicand is a product of a linear radical and a polynomial function. Again, you'll find the link to that video down below. Last but not least, as I said last Sunday, one of you asked me on YouTube whether or not I could make a new tutorial showing how to add and subtract with 3 fractions using the least common multiple of the denominators. In other words, the least common denominator. And I'm really pleased to say that I found the time to do that, and you'll find the link to that tutorial down below. I'll finish by saying that in a few days I'm off to Oxford University to teach for the Oxford study courses, so I may have a little less time this week to make new content. Nevertheless, you can be sure that I will be working on making new content, and I'll be keeping you updated from Oxford next Sunday. There we go everyone, that's it from me. Have a great week.